What is a multiple? A multiple is the number you get when you multiply two other numbers together. For example, 3 times 10 will give you 30. So 30 is a multiple of 3 and of 10. This video is going to show you a trick for finding multiples of 10 without actually having to count in tens. So let's take a look at the number 10. We've got a 1 in the tens column and a 0 in the ones column. Now this is really important because the rule is that all multiples of 10 have a 0 in the ones column. For example, 50. It's got a 0 in the ones column, therefore is a multiple of 10. The same with 80. It's got a 0 in the ones column, therefore it's a multiple of 10. And this is the same no matter how big the number is. So 3,420, also a multiple of 10. 4,980, yep, you guessed it, multiple of 10. However, there is a twist. The rule doesn't say anything about having a 0 in other places. So let's look at the example 200. It's got a 0 in the ones column, but it also has a 0 in the tens column. So is it still a multiple of 10? Well, the answer is yes. As long as there's a 0 in the ones column, it doesn't matter if there's additional zeros in other places, it's still a multiple of 10. Your turn. Here are 4 numbers. Decide if they're multiples of 10 or not. Pause the video to give yourself time to think. Answers coming in 3, 2, 1. So let's take a look. 405, not a multiple of 10. You've got to be careful with numbers like this because it's easy to mistake the fact that there's a 0 into thinking it's a multiple of 10. But look where that 0 is. Is it in the ones column? No, it's in the tens column and there isn't a 0 in the ones column, so it's not a multiple of 10. So to recap, the rule is there must be a 0 in the ones column, but it doesn't matter if there are additional zeros elsewhere. I hope you enjoyed that and it was useful. Like and subscribe for more maths related content.